Step into a world where stargazing becomes an effortless and comfortable experience. Introducing our revolutionary astronomical observation chairs, the key to saying goodbye to strained necks and hello to perfect star viewing. Tired of constantly adjusting your seating position to catch a glimpse of the stars? Well, worry no more. Our chairs are designed to quickly adapt to changing star heights, ensuring you never miss a moment of celestial beauty. Let me introduce you to the Pro, the perfect companion for long-term astronomical observation outside. Its swinging seat makes it easier to sit, allowing you to focus on the wonders of the universe without any discomfort. But what if your stargazing adventures take you indoors or onto the roof? That is where the stepless model comes in. Easy to handle and allowing you to adjust the height steplessly, it is the ideal choice for watching astronomical objects in any environment. Imagine settling into the perfect viewing position effortlessly with no need to compromise on comfort. Our astronomical observation chairs are designed to make your stargazing sessions a breeze. So, whether you are an astronomy enthusiast or just love to gaze at the night sky, our chairs are here to elevate your experience. Say goodbye to strained necks, awkward positions, and discomfort. Embrace the ease of perfect star viewing with our astronomical observation chairs. Upgrade your stargazing game today. Astronomical Observation Chairs, where comfort meets the cosmos. Order yours now and embark on a journey of celestial comfort and wonder.